Welcome to this demonstration on drive chain and sprocket. Drive chain should be lubricated regularly after every 1000 kilometers. Sprocket teeth and chain should be checked every time the vehicle is serviced. Ensure that the rear chain slackness is maintained as per the service manual. It is recommended to change the drive chain and sprocket on or after every 10,000 kilometers. Drive chain cleaning and lubrication procedure. Place the vehicle on the center stand. Wipe the chain with a clean cloth while the wheel is rotating in the reverse direction. Shake the chain cleaner before its use. Apply RE recommended chain cleaner while rotating the wheel in the opposite direction. Allow the chain cleaner to penetrate the chain by keeping it for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow it to penetrate the rollers and chain links. Now the chain is ready for lubrication. Lubricate the chain with the help of Royal Enfield recommended chain lubricants. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. With the help of a soft cloth, clean the chain gently by rotating the wheel in the reverse direction. Now the vehicle is ready for delivery. Replacement. Remove the front sprocket cover by removing the bolt with the help of the 8 mm T-spanner. Remove the drive chain lock with the help of combination plier. Slowly rotate the wheel in the clockwise direction and remove the chain from the rear sprocket. It is recommended to change the drive chain along with the sprocket set assembly. Remove the front drive sprocket with the help of special tools. Inspect the front sprocket. Now change the entire sprocket assembly along with the drive chain if wear and tear are found in any one of these parts. Now locate the sprocket holding special tool on the sprocket. Now fix the hex head self-locking nut on the drive shaft. Tighten it with the help of a 30 mm 6-bit socket and T-Tommy bar. Apply torque on the nuts as per the service manual with the help of a torque wrench. Now locate the drive chain end connecting pin and lock peg. Open end of the lock plate should be opposite to the direction of rotation of drive chain. Chain slackness procedure. Ensure the vehicle is on the center stand and on ground level and the wheels are at least 3 to 4 inches above the ground level. Push the wheel inside. Ensure the reference line on the chain adjuster are matching with the same reference to the swing arms on both left and right hand sides. Ensure the chain slackness as per the service manual. Lock the lock nuts against the adjuster nuts and the chain adjuster on left and right hand side by the 10 mm open end spanner. Tighten the wheel axle nut. do's and don'ts. Do not use the following items as they are likely to damage the oil seals: coarse tip brushes, thinner or caustic solvents, pressurized air or water, hot water. Hold the paper between the chain and the tire to protect the back tire while spraying the chain lubricant. Clean the excess amount of lubricants with a soft cloth to avoid excessive spreading. Use hand gloves while cleaning and lubricating the chain. Clean and lubricate the chain while the ignition is switched off, and rotate the wheel in reverse direction while spraying. Do not place your hand or finger near the sprocket teeth while lubricating the chains.